I'm like, honey, do you want to feel good about the washer? He goes like, well, I kind of do, but yeah. And I'm like, here, smell this. And he was like, yeah, it smells good. It smells really good. I'm like, yeah, that's the new washer. Now smell this. He was like, oh, we wore that? So that was a big win and a little gross. I love to knit, and so I needed a washing machine that would be gentle enough on my hand knits to be able to launder them, and I can get it hot enough that I can do things like felting wool. But when it's delivered, I saw the autofill, and I'm like, I don't know if it's gonna use enough water if I use that. And I was delighted. What I found every time, it really is using enough water. Literally, when that thing fills up with hot water, there's steam coming out. And it's like very rewarding for me. This just gets back to how washing machines should work, how they always used to work. They use enough water to get the clothes all the way clean and all the way rinsed out. And if you use the machine correctly, I would bet that it's just as efficient as some of these other machines because you're not washing as often. You don't have to do extra rinses. You don't have to do all of those things. My mother makes beautiful, beautiful quilts. I have a quilt that's from the late 1800s, and the only way to launder a quilt is with water and to do it gently. This machine is so gentle, I feel confident that I can put a quilt in there. I know that I'll not only get it clean, but then it'll get all of the soap residue out of it. And that's really important if you want that fabric to last for generations. Since we got our washer, not only did my sister-in-law get one, but also my mother's neighbor got one. Because we won't stop talking about it. We're so happy with it. I do have to up my game on dinner conversation though.